Is your Kvcore app still shouting about an open house that's long gone? Let's ditch that outdated event. First, fire up your Kvcore mobile app. You should see your main dashboard. Now, look for the menu icon. Usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left or right corner of the screen. Tap that to open the main menu. In the menu, find and tap on the marketing option. This section houses all your marketing-related tools, including your open house events. Next, locate and select open house from the marketing options. This will take you to a list of your scheduled and past open houses. You should see a list of your open houses. Find the open house you want to remove. Tap on the open house to open the event details. Once the open house details page is open, find and tap the edit button. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the status drop-down menu. A list of different status options for your open house should appear. Select either canceled if the open house was canceled or passed if the open house is now passed. This is the equivalent of deactivating it in the system. Finally, scroll down and tap the save button. This will save the changes you made to the open house event, effectively removing it from your active schedule. And that's it. Your Kvcore app is now free of that old open house. Enjoy your clean calendar and accurate notifications.